Hello friends, welcome back. So next in our marketing website, we would like to have different pages. Means whenever our editor adds a page, it would be added automatically to our navigation and it would be also rendered in our marketing website. For example, we have landing pages and so on. So first step is to create a content model for that page. So let's go to content model and here we need to click on add content type. And here we will name it as page, and let's click on create, and then we will add fields. Okay, so the first field, the type, we will keep it as text and it would be a short text, and here we will name it as title, and then we will click on create and configure, and validation will be required. Let's save this, and now let's add the second field. So it will be the slug. So let's click on text, and here we will name it as slug. Then create and configure, go on appearance, select slug, and then set the validation to required. So basically this will be the URL of the page. Okay, let's save this. And now the main part is to add an array of references. So we can add different block of content in here. So here we can add a field and click on reference, and here we need to pick many references and we can call this as blocks. Okay, and then we need to click on create. So the idea here is our editor will create a page, give it a title, give it a slug, and then assemble the page using different blocks, which we will also create in this content model. Okay, so for example, we might have a feature block, a hero block, a grid image block, and whatever we really need. Okay, so let's save this. And now let's go back to content model. And the first block we are going to create is common block, which is basically a content type that will hold some text content. Okay, similar to the blog. So we can add content type, and here we can call this as content blog. Okay, content block. And now let's click on create, and then we will add fields. Okay, so the first one will be a type of text, and this will be title. And let's click on create and configure, validation will be required. Let's save this. So this is mainly to give some context about the block, because we will not display the content of this title, and then we need to add a field of type rich text. Okay, and here we can call this as content. So content. Okay, and hit create. So that's our first block. Let's save this. Now let's go back to content model. Now let's add one more field. Okay, so let's create add content type, and this we will call it as grid block. So grid block, and let's click on create, and then we will add field of type text and call it as title. Let's click on create, and then we will add one more field, and this will be for media. So let's click on media and select many files, and here we can call this as images. Okay, let's click on create. Okay, so now let's save this. Let's go back to content model, and now last we will add a hero block. So click on add content type. Here we can name it as hero block. Click on create, add field, type should be text, and it will be title again. Hit this create button, and then we will add one more field, and this will be text, and this will be some text headline. Let's give a name of headline. Okay, hit create. Then we need a image, so click on add field, select media, and select one file and name it as media image. Okay, so let's keep it as image only, not media image. Okay, let's hit on create, and let's save this. So this has been saved, content type saved successfully. And to show you this in action, let's create an example page. So let's go to content, and let's click on add entries, and let's say this will be an about us page. So select page. So here we will give a title as about. So this slug is auto generated, and for block we can select as content block and name it as about content block. And here we will add some dummy text. So lorem ipsum, let's get some dummy text. So I'll generate a lorem ipsum text, and let's copy this one paragraph, and here we need to paste it. Okay, and now let's hit publish. So this has been published, and now let's go back to content and let's click on about, and we need one more block, so that will be hero block. Okay, and we can say about us, and headline we can give it some headline. Okay, this could be anything, whatever you like you can give it. And for the image we will go to a free website which is Pixelpay. Let's get a free image. So what image I can get it from here? There are a lot of images and I'm really confused. So let's get this first image. If I click here, I'll get the URL. I need the URL actually. Okay. Okay, this is not a free image, I guess. Let's go back. Let's click it here. Let's click on free download, view. I need the URL of this page. So if I click on free download, view, let's click on this and click on download. Okay, so here I am getting this URL. Let's copy this. Let's go back to our Contentful. Okay, it is giving me some message of confirming the email. Okay, I got it. I'll do the confirmation afterwards. Okay, so add a new image, new media, and here we need to give some title. So headline image, you can give whatever name you want, and then open file selector, and then link URL. Just paste the URL and click this button. Okay, so the image has been uploaded successfully. Description, if you want to give, this is not compulsory. I have not give the validation as required. So if you want, you can just add the description. Otherwise, let it be as it is. Click on publish. Okay, and then let's go back to content and let's see these two things are being drafted. So we need to click on publish, go back to content. Now this is draft. So let's publish this page. Now let's see, everything is published. Go back to content model. Okay, everything is active. Fine, that is perfect. Now everything, the status is published. So now we have set up everything in the Contentful. Now in the next video, I will show you how to render this in Eleventy website. So this is it for this video. I hope you like this video and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.